Ever baffled by someone's actions? They seem friendly, then suddenly self-sabotage. Maybe you've started to recognize your own unexplainable habits, and you're left wondering about the true reasons and motivations behind your actions. What if you could truly see the hidden motivations driving other people and finally achieve a deep and genuine understanding of your own true nature? This book is a guide into the very heart of human nature, exploring the invisible forces that are secretly driving every one of our decisions. We're going to look beyond the masks everyone wears, so we can finally learn to see the true character that lies hidden deep within each of them. Idea 1. The law of irrationality. We are not as rational as we think. Our judgments are often clouded by unconscious biases, past experiences, and powerful, immediate emotions. When buying a house, you might favor one because it reminds you of your childhood home, ignoring more practical options. This is emotion swaying you. Our brains use mental shortcuts, causing us to believe people who sound confident even when their information might be totally inaccurate. Understanding our irrational tendencies lets us pause and question our feelings, helping us make more informed, logical choices.
Before we continue the video, let's be honest about reading. If you're a visual learner, trying to force your way through a book can be painful. Reading a full book can feel impossible because your brain craves visual stimulation and words on a page just don't provide that spark. But with the BookWatch app, you can absorb an entire book in just 15 minutes with our animated book summaries. We create engaging visuals that match exactly how your brain works for thousands of books. Start learning the way your brain is truly meant to. Download the BookWatch app free with the link in the description or search BookWatch in the App Store. Also, if you are enjoying our free content on YouTube, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Idea 2. The law of narcissism. We all have narcissistic tendencies, but a healthy dose of self-worth is absolutely essential for building our confidence and fueling our ambition. When self-interest grows too strong, it leads to problems like a constant need for validation or becoming overly sensitive to any form of criticism. Recognizing narcissism in others helps navigate interactions. Some may dominate conversations or manipulate situations to be in their favor. True power is found in self-awareness. Listening with empathy helps us create authentic bonds and unlock our true potential for incredible growth. Idea 3. The law of role-playing. We constantly assume roles based on our environment. A strict professional at work can become a playful, doting parent just hours later at home. Over time, these roles can become so ingrained, we lose touch with our true selves. We suppress desires to fit the mold we feel we should play. However, these roles are not always restrictive. Stepping into a leadership position, for instance, can empower someone to guide others with purpose. With greater self-awareness, we can recognize our roles and evaluate if they truly serve our growth or limit our authentic potential. Ultimately, we must not let our roles mask our true selves, as authenticity is integrating the person we are with the work we do. Idea 4. The law of compulsive behavior. Our actions are driven by deep-rooted patterns from our youth. These responses can become automatic and not always serve our best interests. A child who was often overlooked might develop a pattern of constantly seeking validation. Their actions become a compulsive cry for attention. Someone who faced frequent criticism may react defensively to mild feedback. It's a reflex born from a deep-seated need to protect themselves. Breaking free begins with recognizing our patterns and asking if our automatic reactions are really what's best for us at this moment. Understanding the root allows us to choose new responses over our old habits. This awareness creates genuine growth and much healthier connections. Idea 5. The law of covetousness. The law of covetousness is our endless desire for what we don't have, the constant feeling that the grass is always greener on the other side. Social media amplifies this by showing curated highlights of others' lives. We compare these perfect moments to our own behind-the-scenes reality. However, this constant yearning can be a double-edged sword. This powerful feeling can be a strong motivator, driving us to strive and grow. If left unchecked, this can become a trap of profound dissatisfaction, a cycle where we feel like we will never have or be quite enough. True awareness helps us break the cycle of endless wanting, so we can pursue what deeply matters, instead of just what others appear to have. Idea 6. The law of short-sightedness. We're hardwired to chase immediate pleasure and often disregard the future price. The temptation of what's now is just more powerful than what's next. Our fast-paced world amplifies this. Constant notifications and 24/7 news cycles pull our attention, keeping us locked in the present moment. Constantly reacting to the present can lead to future problems. Decisions that feel right now can have negative repercussions down the line. Awareness is the first step. By pausing and stepping back, we can ask ourselves about the long-term consequences of our decisions. Integrating long-term thinking creates a balanced view. It allows us to navigate the demands of the present with the potential of the future. Idea 7. The law of defensiveness. When our beliefs or actions are challenged, we instinctively put up walls. It's a natural human reaction to a perceived threat to our self-image. These walls block feedback and can hinder our personal growth. We miss chances to learn, understand others, and see completely new perspectives. In relationships, constant defensiveness can shut down open communication. It turns conversations into battles and fosters deep misunderstandings. The first step is recognizing when your walls go up. Ask yourself if it is a real threat or just your ego protecting an uncomfortable truth. By choosing to be open, we foster self-awareness and richer relationships. It leads to a more genuine and fulfilling connection with the world. Idea 8. The law of self-sabotage. We often act against our own best interests, unconsciously creating obstacles on our path to success and well-being. This manifests in many ways, like procrastinating on crucial tasks. We choose momentary relief over long-term goals, even when we know it's harmful. The root cause often lies in deep insecurities or past traumas. A negative inner voice can dictate our actions from the shadows without our awareness. This internal conflict makes us fear success, feeling we don't deserve it. We avoid opportunities, convinced we will eventually be exposed as a fraud. Becoming aware of these patterns is the first step to breaking free. By reflecting, we can identify the hidden beliefs that drive our self-sabotage. By challenging these old narratives, we can replace them with healthier beliefs and finally take actions that align with our true goals and desires. Idea 9. The law of repression. We bury painful emotions and memories, an act of repression often driven by societal pressure, personal trauma, and the deep fear of being judged. These repressed feelings don't just vanish. They lurk beneath the surface, influencing our behaviors and choices in ways we don't recognize. This creates a constant internal tug-of-war. It's like trying to hold a beach ball underwater. It takes constant effort, and it often pops up. The key to addressing this is self-awareness. We can recognize the signs and begin to unpack these buried parts of ourselves by introspecting. By accepting all parts of ourselves, both light and shadow, we can achieve a greater sense of inner harmony, authenticity, and emotional well-being. Idea 10. The law of envy. Envy is that deep longing for what someone else has, an emotion born from our own personal insecurities and unfulfilled desires. When a colleague gets promoted or a friend finds success, it can make us feel inadequate and start to question the progress we've made in our own lives. Unchecked envy creates a negative spiral of comparison, making us preoccupied with others' journeys instead of truly focusing on our own path. Envy can also be a mirror that reveals our hidden desires and aspirations, guiding us toward powerful introspection and meaningful self-discovery. By understanding envy, we can transform resentment into powerful inspiration and feel true empathy and admiration for the journeys of others. Idea 11. The law of grandiosity. Success can lead us to overestimate our importance, feeling special and invincible, and ultimately losing our grip on what's truly real. This mindset breeds an arrogance that strains relationships, and we become blind to our own flaws, believing the rules simply don't apply to us anymore. When we're convinced of our own greatness, failure feels devastating, so it's easier to blame others for setbacks than to admit our own faults. Grandiosity is often a mask for deep insecurity, a defense mechanism used to overcompensate for feelings of inadequacy or past failures. The goal is balance, not to kill ambition. Ground your confidence in reality, stay open to feedback, and keep your ego in check to truly grow. Idea 12. The law of gender rigidity. Societal norms often box us into rigid roles, limiting our true expression and understanding of ourselves. From a young age, we are conditioned into roles. Boys are taught to be strong and hide emotions, while girls are taught to be nurturing and sensitive. This rigidity leads to internal conflict when our true interests don't align. We might suppress parts of ourselves to fit in with expectations. It impacts emotional expression. Men may bottle up feelings to appear manly, while women feel pressured to always be nurturing and accommodating. Seeing these roles as social constructs is liberating, because we all have a blend of traits that society calls both masculine and feminine. By moving beyond rigid expectations, we can find authentic self-expression. This leads to a more fulfilling and holistic experience of life. Idea 13, the law of aimlessness. Imagine you are lost on a vast ocean without a compass. Drifting aimlessly can be a confusing, overwhelming, and deeply frustrating experience. A life without a sense of purpose can often come from external pressures. We might find ourselves in a job or a role simply because it's expected. Internal barriers like fear of failure or self-doubt can also hold us back. We often stick to the familiar, unfulfilling path because it feels safe. Recognizing aimlessness is the first step towards finding purpose. It is an invitation to introspect and discover what gives our life meaning. A guiding star provides the motivation we need to leave aimlessness behind and start living a life with true intentionality. Idea 14, the law of conformity. We are social creatures, hardwired to seek belonging. This deep-rooted need for community has been essential for our survival and cooperation. Conformity influences our fashion slang and hobbies and can even shape our deepest beliefs and values to match the standards of our chosen group. Suppressing our true feelings to fit in can bring security but also a price. Over time, it can lead to a sense of emptiness or identity confusion. Voicing a different opinion can feel risky, not just because we want to be liked. It's rooted in a fundamental fear of being isolated or cast out. The key is not to reject all conformity, but to find a balance. Know when to blend in for the group and when to stand out for your true self. Idea 15, the law of fickleness. Human emotions and loyalties are notoriously unstable. What is passionately supported one moment can be abandoned the next with surprising ease. This changeability is part of our nature, seen in love and brand loyalty. Trust and support can evaporate when something new and shiny appears. External forces like social pressure and persuasive trends are powerful catalysts. They can easily sway our opinions, desires, and allegiances. Our inner world of fears and desires drives this fickleness, a tangled web of feelings that can cause very sudden shifts in the choices that we make. By understanding our fickle nature, we can ground ourselves in reason over emotion. This awareness leads to more stable and authentic life choices. Idea 16, the law of aggression. Aggression is about asserting oneself, often at the expense of others. It's not always physical, frequently manifesting in more subtle, covert ways. Historically, aggression was a vital tool for survival and dominance that evolved into more complex expressions as our societies developed. Personal experience shapes our aggressive impulses. Trauma or rejection can forge it into a defense or turn it inward as self-destructive behavior. Recognizing aggression in oneself and others is crucial. When unchecked, it can damage relationships, but when channeled, it can fuel positive change. True mastery is knowing its nuances and directing its force. It's about channeling that powerful energy in ways that uplift instead of tear down. Idea 17, the law of generational myopia. We view the world through our generation's lens, assuming our perspective is the most advanced. This creates a natural, unseen short-sightedness. Pivotal moments shape each generation's collective consciousness. These events influence our values, beliefs, and perceptions, setting us apart. Older generations often see the young as entitled and uninformed, just as younger people view their elders as out of touch and regressive. To truly progress, we must look beyond ourselves, blending the timeless wisdom of elders with the bold innovation of the next generation. Understanding that every generation has its strengths and blind spots promotes empathy. This can cultivate a more interconnected and harmonious world. Idea 18, the law of death denial. We avoid death's reality by immersing ourselves in daily routines. This constant busyness acts as a shield from our deepest existential fears. To cope, we create belief systems that promise an afterlife or spiritual continuity. These narratives offer comfort and help assuage our fears. Ignoring life's finite nature means we risk chasing the wrong things. We might miss the richness of the present by seeking ephemeral validations. Embracing mortality can be a profound inspiration. It pushes us to live with more purpose, gratitude, and authenticity in our everyday moments.